Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do my January Boxycharm unboxing, and I am so excited about this month because we have eyeshadows. Let's see what's in here. So I already opened it, obviously I know what's in it, and the first item I'm going to go in with is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Pores No More. And I'm so excited for this because I don't actually use primers. I've never used a primer before. I feel like this is probably going to change my life quite a bit, but we'll see. All right. I think that's good. So that's a fair amount, I would say. Smells good. It's a little, I guess primer is supposed to be a little tacky so that your foundation doesn't move. It's a little bit thicker than like lotion, a little creamier, but it smells good. I like it. And though this item is worth $38, and I only paid $21 for this box. Whoa. Next is the It's Cosmetics Brow Power in the shade Universal. Oh, wait. Oh, I know what this is. I've seen this before. Universal Taupe. I don't know if this is going to be dark enough for me, but we'll see. So basically this brow pencil is meant to work with people with blonde to like brown hair. I'm a little intrigued. It's a pencil. I haven't done my eyebrows in months. I am trying to grow it out, so I'm doing it on purpose. So please don't mind my eyebrows. It's pretty bad. I mean, I'm still going to try to use the pen just for the sake of using what's in the box, but I'm not really sure if it's going to make much of a difference for me, to be quite honest with you. And the shade is definitely too light for me, so I'm not even gonna bother. The Brow Power eyebrow pencil is $24, and I'm kind of sad. I wish this was a different color so I could actually use it, but that's okay. I have a ton of eyebrow stuff, so I'm just gonna give this to somebody. Now I'm just going to put on some foundation because it's not in this box, and I have eyeshadow and like face stuff I want to use, so I'm just gonna throw on my foundation real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I got my foundation on, I put some concealer, and we're just going to jump into the eyeshadow. So the palette we got is Glam Metals by Crown, and I'm so excited about this. It's just, it calls my name. I mean, look at these shades. Come on. Dude, seriously. They're all metallic, so this isn't really a palette that you can use on your own. This is kind of a palette that's great to have to like enhance some of your looks if all you have are neutrals, and if you don't have too many metallics, this is a great option because you get a great selection of different shades of metallics as well. And also I think having the black is a great idea to be able to like smoke things out or whatnot. I'm going to use these three shades right here. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to use this transition shade, and probably I would say this as my crease shade, and then use the metals. Alright, I'm going to go in with the transition shade. Okay, so I just cleaned my face up a little bit with, what is it called? Concealer, just because I had some fallout with the metallic, so cleaned that up a bit, but I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. This palette is cute. Now I'm going to try out the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette, and it comes with a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. And I'm a little scared of the bronzer. It's really shimmery and shiny, more than I'm used to. Yeah, it's a little too shiny for me. Yeah, no, I'm not a fan of that. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. I'm just going to use my trusty Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer. I don't like shiny bronzers. That's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Let me try the blush. This blush is also very shimmery. I don't mind shiny blush, but bronzer, it's a little terrifying. This blush is cute. I put a little too much on my left cheek. Do I look ridiculous? A little bit. That's okay. Let's try the highlight. I am not mad about that. Okay, the highlight is pretty poppin'. You think it's poppin'? I think it's poppin'. I like it. I like the highlight. I might actually start using the highlight. The blush I like too-ish. Probably won't reach for it as much. I'll probably still reach for my Tarte blush, but I really like the highlight in this. I like. Oh, let me get the bridge on my nose and my Cupid's bow. How could I forget those? Oh, wait. Ah! I forgot to give you the prices. So the Glam Metals palette is $25 and the Pure like cheek palette is $34. And the next item is the Girlactic matte lip paint and it's $23. Never heard of this brand before. My lips are a little dry, so I'm afraid of applying a matte lipstick, but this is the Girlactic lip paint. I always put on chapstick or moisturizer before I apply a matte lip because it dries my lips out like crazy. I like this color. It's definitely one of my colors. This applies really smoothly. I really like this color. The lips don't really match the eyes, but that's fine. We're just going to pretend it matches. Alright, well that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my January Boxycharm unboxing. I'm pretty happy with this month's box. I'll probably continue to use the primer, the eyeshadow palette, and this lipstick because I'm definitely feeling those colors. I'm just going to add up the totals here and tell you guys how much this box is completely worth. Equals 144 spankaroos. And I am mad at that. But the fact that I only paid $21 for this box, I'm pretty impressed considering I will be using 3 out of the 5 products in here. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I'll post the link down below. I highly suggest it for anybody who is just starting to dabble into makeup like me and you want to be able to get the full experience of new products. I hope you guys have a great week and stay tuned for my next video because I think I'll be doing the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation review and test. So again, thank you so much for clicking this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, like my Facebook page if you're watching on Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!